Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Marianne Elise and I teach people how to change life by changing their thoughts. And now today I'm back with another tarot for men. So, men who are in my collective, who I channel for, let's jump straight in and see what's going on with your energy. When I did your pre-shuffle, a little bit of energy came up to do with walking away from things, new beginnings, a bit of an ego death, to be honest. I think that you're going to be cutting certain toxic connections out of your life, whether that's in love, friends, or with family. There is a real sense of you realising that, yeah, this person ain't too good for me. So let's see what's going on then. General energy for men. Woo! So one came out, but then two, these two here, I haven't looked to see which ones they were. They like went up my arm like that. It was really weird. But the one that popped was Child of the Cosmos. The intelligence of the universe lies within you. But let's see also, I'm only taking one card, but we'll see what these two cards are as well. So we've got baby steps, action, follow your intuition before it makes sense. Great advice. And then next, you're not for everyone, embrace your weirdness, face your true north. Yeah, so I was getting the feeling of walking away from a certain person, and I feel like it's a person who you can't really be yourself around. I feel like this person might actually make you feel anxious. You really overthink things with them because it's not a nice connection that we've got going on here. So let's get another card for the general energy. Service. Yeah, I'm feeling their energy. It's really not nice. Whoever this person is who you're needing to cut out of your life, not nice at all. There we go. The thinking man. Yeah, so you really are thinking about this connection at the minute because your intuition is telling you things that you don't really want to listen to, if I'm perfectly honest. But they're causing you to be a little bit blinded by the truth. This person, I'm getting narcissistic vibes, definitely narcissistic traits, manipulation, making you doubt your own truth. But this is, yeah, I'm getting major narcissist vibes, and it does feel like a female as well. So whether it's a female who you're dating, a girlfriend, wife, do you know what I mean? You could have been in this relationship for a long time, or it could even be like sister, cousin, mother, auntie, grandmother. But there is a really toxic feminine influence in your life right now who you do have an attachment to, but you are starting to think about, do you actually really want to spend the rest of your life and go to your grave knowing that this is what you've had to deal with your whole life? You need to start listening to your intuition more, because your intuition is literally telling you to run from them. So I'll move on to the tarot now. I'll get, first of all, what's going on in your head, what you're actually thinking about, and then we'll get what's going on in your heart space, what you're currently feeling, and also the divine knowledge that's coming through you, what your soul is trying to communicate to you, what your intuition is trying to contribute to this situation. And then we'll see what's coming up for you in the near future. What is the most probable outcome for the next 2 weeks? So headspace, please. 2 cards. There we go. What have we got? Interesting. We've got the Knight of Swords in reverse, and we've got the King of Pentacles. And as you can see, The King of Pentacles has turned his attention away from this knight who is in reverse. This knight is someone who rushes in to say something that they should be saying, but because it's in reverse, it's like you know that you're not speaking up about something, and I feel like it's in regards to your money. There might be someone who is manipulating you and controlling you in some way in regards to your money. It could be something literally as simple as using techniques to get you to buy them things, like manipulation and stuff like that, or even like, I'll break up with you if you don't buy me this, or causing a huge argument if you don't buy something. And it's like you kind of just, you want to say something but you know it's going to cause a massive kick off, so you're just turning your attention away. I went to say men then, but yeah, I'll say men. That was really rude. I went to actually say, I went to say men then, but actually you're a boy if you don't speak up for yourself. But that is just fucking rude. We all go through these phases, don't we, where you get really attached to somebody. And if it is like a parent and your mum's just spending all your money up, how do you communicate that to your mum? Like, I'm cutting you off, bitch. So let's have a look. Let's see what's going on in your heart space. 2 cards, please, Spirit. Well, I got 3, and I'm going to take 3. One of them is upside down, so 2 of them have jumped out, and I can see what they are. I'm not going to turn the other one over yet because I'll use that as a clarifier. So we've got the Hermit and the King of Wands. And then what have we got here? 5 of Wands. Yeah, so there's a lot of fighting and conflict going on, like within the... You really... This is a connection that you've got a lot of fighting, drama, arguments. It's rife with arguments, and it's like, again, you're turning away from what you should be doing. You need to go within and listen to your intuition. Look which way the light is directing you towards. But again, you're like, nah. If it is a relationship, it could be someone who you're really attracted to. It feels like a connection based around sex and sexual energy, but because of that, you're allowing all this bullshit behaviour to go on, because you're telling yourself that this sexual connection is more than it is, when really it's just a sexual connection and that's it. Let's see what's coming up for you in the future space then. Oh, for crying out loud, it's gone on the floor. Should have known. Wow. So the one that's on the floor, pick that one up. Right, so sorry, I was just skipping. We've got the 4 cups, and we've got the 7 of wands. More fighting, but this is like someone really attacking you, somebody who is coming in with that fire when they're attacking you, and it's like, I'm fucking bored of this now. Seriously, is this what our whole relationship is going to revolve around? Fighting, drama, arguments. So I'll pull a little clarify for that. Let's see what you're actually going to do. If you're getting bored of all this fighting, there's another little clarifier. Oh. We've got the Queen of Wands, which obviously is the counterpart for the King of Wands in the middle. This would be a super passionate couple, but there's also a very negative side to them. So you can have a really sexual relationship, but it can also be really aggressive, fiery and drama filled. And I think that you're really going to come to that conclusion, and you're going to realise that she's no good for you. This feminine, whether, like, obviously you're a man, whether this is a girlfriend or a boyfriend with feminine energy, you're realising that they're actually no good for you. And yeah, there's way too much drama, way too much fighting. It's never going to work. That's what Spirit's saying. It's never going to work. Just one of you just has to let go. Unfortunately, I'm really sorry, but you're just being used. I'm sorry. So thanks very much for tuning in. If you would like to purchase a personal reading from me, I do love readings, general readings. You can purchase a reading from my website, www.heartspacehealing33.com. You can find out more about me at my website. The link for that is in the description box. So thanks very much for tuning in today. Namaste.